All right. So, I'm just doing a quick analysis of Ergo here. And as you can see, all the blue lines, these are all the weekly charts. These are all the different indicators, red lines, blue lines. It's all about tracking the trends, really. This is essentially my own custom scanner for, tracking specific assets. And all these empty spaces, these gray areas, these are things I'm currently checking explicitly because we've got a green dot showing up on the weekly chart. But I'm not getting ahead of myself. We're going to dive into the specifics of the chart right now. So let me explain. So with Ergo, I'm currently looking at the 4-hour chart, and I'm just trying to show you what has been happening historically so far. And then, if we switch over to the 1-hour chart, I think you'll get a much clearer understanding of the whole situation. This was actually a trade that we took together as a team, within our group, and we ended up earning over 400% on this specific trade, which was quite incredible, I have to say. I remember telling everyone in the team that, it was going to pull back. And when it pulls back, that's really when the timing is going to be just right. That's when the bounce will inevitably occur. And then it's time to act. So if I switch to the 4-hour, you'll actually see the pullback. Let me just erase some of these markings here, and you'll find it much easier to follow along with what I'm explaining. So as you can see right here, my indicator is giving a LL signal, and we're heading right to the top here. See, it's quite clear. And then, we dropped so low, it went below.
So what I would do is, I already have a circle here, which indicates that a pullback is certainly coming, a pullback towards the middle of the indicator. If you haven't entered yet, this would be a really good place to consider. Now, the main goal is to bring it to a double top, because once it forms that double top, boom, a nice clear double top. Then to enter, you've actually gained 171%, and that's precisely my plan. That's what I'm aiming for. Later, whatever happens, I might take some profit here, at the 2.36 Fibonacci level. I'll take a partial entry to push it even higher. But overall, the total target is from here to here. Your goal is to have a calm and peaceful weekend. The trade on AERGO, 320. And then I'm going to show you something really interesting. There it goes. Boom. Look at this right here. AERGO. No, I don't know why it's not displaying. But here, 7.5 to 80, 11, with an ROI of 2. You see? Absolutely. If you don't take it, if you don't enter, if you don't jump in, then you don't make the profit. So this is the trade. This is the call I'm giving, which is why that person was asking me about the update on the call, because there are quite substantial amounts invested in this. It could be $10,000 or even 7,000 euros. And essentially, that $7,000 could very well turn into $21,000 right here. You see? And all of this is happening during the Easter weekend, which is a great time for some market movement. So listen, if you're interested in joining my team, we have 2,229 people on Telegram, and the link is in the bio. Everything is there 24/7. You just click on it, go to my bio, click on the link, and you'll be redirected directly to our Telegram group. If you want to talk to me personally, my email is also available there. You'll join my team, my daily team. There are already 65 to 26 people who trade with me. And the results you see, you still want AERGO. If the results you're seeing are from the people who trade with me, well, those are their results. And if that interests you, just message me and I'll explain how to do it. But remember, it's completely free. There's no charge for this. So